What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's AG Sarah, and today I'm here to show you guys this lovely natural makeup look. So right now I am going in with a concealer shade, a shade that's closest to my skin tone, and I'm using my fingers to apply and blend it all into my skin. I'm also going over my eyes because I have darker eyes, and I'm going around my lips and areas that I have any spots, dark spots and discolorations, and I'm just going to blend this out with my fingers. I also went on the sides of my on the sides of my cheek. As you can see, I have dark circles and dark areas there. So I applied some concealer and I am blending that in with my finger as well. Now I grabbed my foundation and my setting powder. Everything I'm using today will be linked in the description box, so you can go check them out. And I'm just squeezing out a little of my foundation, and I'm going to take my setting powder and dab a little in there as well. And I'm going to use my brush to blend and apply this on my skin. Give me the key, I'm inside you set me free. After doing that, I went in with my setting powder again, and I applied a little underneath my eyes and every other area, and I'm blending that in as well. Now I'm going in with this brownish shade from this my eyeshadow palette. Like I said earlier on, everything I use will be linked in the description box, so you can go check them out. And I'm blending this above my eye crease. And I also went in with a shimmer shade, and I'm applying this right above my lash line, and I'm blending that out with my fingers. I grabbed my MAC eyeliner, and I'm using this to outline my lower lash, and I'm going to use this to create a sort of a winged line to give my eyes that lifted look. I love using this for my eyes a lot, so you can go check it out in the description box if you want to purchase this liner as well. So right now I'm blending it with my fingers, and I grabbed this very brownish shade, and I'm applying that above, and I'm just blending it out as well. So I grabbed the same MAC eyeliner, and I'm rubbing this on my brush, this angled brush, and I'm going to use this to fill my eyebrows. As you can see, I have very scanty eyebrows, so I'm just going to use this to fill them out and make them look much fuller. And I grabbed my brush, and I'm brushing them out as well. And I'm going to apply hair wax on them, and I'm going to brush them out with my brush to make sure that they stay on till whenever. Now for contour, I use the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm just contouring the sides of my nose and on my cheek. Now I went in with the shimmer shade, and I applied this on my lips, on my nose, on the sides of my eyebrows, and yeah. And as for blush, I used the same eyeshadow palette, and I went in with this very pinkish or reddish shade, and I'm just applying this on my cheek and dragging that onto my nose and blending it all in. So I went in with the same shade on my lips. And after that, I applied my lip gloss on my lips. Now I went in again with the same shimmer shade because I wasn't satisfied with the glow that I was getting, so I wanted more, and I applied it on every areas that I applied earlier on. I applied on my eyes and on my forehead. Yeah. Now for the freckles, as you can see, I'm just dabbing it like randomly on my finger, and I'm tapping that in on the areas that I normally have freckles. A lot of people say black people don't have freckles, but we do. It's just that ours are not that visible. So I'm just tapping this on the areas that I normally have freckles, which are my nose area and down towards my cheek and upwards towards my forehead. Those are the areas that I normally have freckles, and you can go crazy with it. It's your look, it's your makeup, do whatever you want to do. So after that, I applied setting powder on it because you want it to look natural and not like you just applied it there. So after that, I set my face, and now I'm going in with my mascara. And yeah, we are done with the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you want to see more content like this, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be sure to make more videos for you coming up soon. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.